Hello.
जय हिंद दोस्तों.
Today I am gonna show you how you can record your screen without any heavy software being installed on your system. Don't skip the video, stay till the end for a better understanding. Before that, there is an announcement. I have started a shout out where every new subscriber got a mention in every new video. So shout out to Florix35, Gamer Girl, Mr. Khan, Abimayu, SS Gaming, Terran Pant, Nonviolent Smooth, Usman. Thanks to all for subscribing and commenting. If you also want to mention in the next video, do subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video. Open any browser. I have opened the Chrome browser and search for Apowersoft. Click on the first link. You can see two options here, screen recording or download the app. If you want to download, they have an application also. But, for now, we will go for screen recording. As soon you will click it, it will first install a small file. As I have already downloaded and installed, it is showing a dialog for opening the app launcher. Click on the Open Apowersoft Online Launcher. A toolbar will open. It is not showing because the toolbar is hidden from the screen recorder. You can check out the settings and after that click on the record option. And now the recording has been started. You can also set shortcut keys for start recording and stop recording and much more. When the recording stopped, it will give you an option to trim the video or else save the video as GIF or video format. To check the recording, go to your document folder, then click on the Apowersoft folder. Inside that, click on Apowersoft Online Screen Recorder folder, and here you can see all your recordings. Open it and you will see how it record the screen with full clarity. Thanks for watching. Go and check out this tool and let me know in the comments section whether you like it or not. Subscribe to the channel and you can be the shout out name for the next video. Thanks again for watching. Be safe.